How you're looking the ministry's new stand to your report? They are saying that they will consult with the states before taking a decision.
But that was the pattern to be followed anyhow. There is nothing new about it. So ministry is doing the right thing.
So it will be good.
Yeah, they have, what is the use of a report if the states don't accept it? It is 6 states are involved. They have the final say on how to protect their environment. We have put down certain guidelines, and based on that the ministry is consulting the states and make sure that there is a proper understanding between what the ministry wants and what the state can accommodate. So between them they will come to a understanding, and this is the right way to use the report.
So how are you looking the opposition of to your report from the states like Kerala?
No, I don't know what it is all about, because I have been also reading in the newspaper and know only as much as you know about
What
it.
say to the states, because you are
No, the report is with the ministry. They will take the responsibility of now carrying it forward in whatever way the the circumstances can allow. So I leave it to the ministry to do
so
that.
you are hopeful that your report will be implemented.
There is not a question of hope or hopelessness or hopefulness. It is a question of making sure that we have a best approach which is practical and which is acceptable to the states and which is consistent with conservation and preservation of the environment. This is exactly what it is.
Opposition is based on the satellite images you have used.
No. Sadly, if there are something better things, please let them do it. I mean, who says that they cannot do it? There is always certain elements of uncertainty that can be sorted out with the ground truthing. This is a typical way in which the entire thing is done. The latest information has been used, latest data is available, and there is no alternative to the system of data that we have used. It is the latest, and it goes down to the village. Nowhere in an environmental system have we put down up to the village level with a 23-meter data and with a DBT ISRO based biodiversity maps for the whole country, which has been used and which is as old as only hardly 4 to 5 years. So you can see the updateness, the relevance and the accuracy, precision and the availability of the information. This is probably the best that is possible, other than going for ground truthing, and 4,000 and odd villages are involved. So wherever there are some discrepancies, they will sort it out with the ground truthing. That's it. That is the way to do this.
Sir, do you think the protesters are without reading your report?
No, I don't know about the protesters, and I am just telling you the clarification on the scientific part of it, nothing else. This is what is normally done. So there is nothing new in what we have done, except for the fact we have used the latest information and more precise in terms of spatial resolution.
Do you feel that the MOF should put a timeline to make you implement?
No, I can't do anything about it. Reports are always submitted, and it is for the ministry to understand what their timelines are. They will have to go through the process, so they have their own timeline. I cannot say that anything can be done or this thing. It is up to the ministry, and you have good ministers, responsible people in the IM. So I am sure that things will be done as per the best interest of the environment and best interest of the people, and therefore best interest of the country.